Hey guys, welcome to BIM Easy. Have you ever tried to export a CAD drawing from Revit and you noticed that the colors of the elements are totally different? As you can see on the screen, this is the Revit drawing, and when I exported it into CAD, the colors are now totally different. You can see the floor color here is pink, but the color here is somewhat black. You can also notice the change in the colors of the grid lines, the section lines, and all the texts. So how to rectify it? You just need to take care of two settings. Let me show you how. So this happens when you export drawings from Revit using the default settings. You just need to take care of two settings so that whatever you are seeing in your Revit view, the same will be exported to CAD. So let's get started. Let us maximize the Revit window. Right click, zoom to fit. I need to print this particular drawing. I will go to File, Export, CAD Formats, DWG. In this window, you can see three dots over here. So just click on it, and in the Layers section, you will see these three options. So by default, the first option would be selected. What you need to do is you need to click on the third option. Export all properties by layer and create new layers for overrides. So whatever overrides you will be doing, they will be coming out as separate layers. This is the first setting that you need to do. And the second setting is colors. So in the colors, by default, the setting would be index color. You need to change it to specified in view true color RGB values. So this is the only setting that you need to do. Now we will click on next and we will save it with a name. Let us say BIM Easy. And you need to tick off these options, otherwise your views will be exported as XREF files, which we don't want. I'll click on OK. So now the export is ready. I will open the CAD, go to Open and select that file and click on Open. So now you can see whatever colors I had specified in my Revit view, those colors are truly reflecting over here. Let's compare them side by side. Now you can see the colors are truly matching. So guys, only two settings can help you achieve your desired output. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If yes, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel because I will be coming up with more such videos. Thanks a lot for watching.